Okay, so this is the Bushlander trailer. So we're got all the parts out here and we're gonna start putting it together first, and then we'll get to the big 122 sawmill after that. So it's about 10 o'clock right now, so we'll see how long this takes. One thing is the parts are very good quality. Like, you wouldn't believe how heavy this is, just this one piece. Just one more thing before we get started. These are the pieces of the hardware to bolt everything together. So when you pull the cardboard box off the main sawmill, you have it kind of in a cage, so it stops damage during transport. We have a little bit of bending here, but geez, even the metal around it will be used for something here on the homestead. That's cool. All right, big reveal. Ooh. There's a lot of parts. All right, so we're in the search of frame rails, and I think we found it. You're so aggressive. You're so aggressive. What's going on? Eh? What's wrong? What's got into you? Alright, so we've had an equipment failure here on the socket, so I'm going to head to town and get a replacement.
So we're going to try to use the skid steer to pick this thing up. So right now all we've done is use a skid steer to get it off the pallet. It's in a metal. This is probably not the best plan.
All right, so this build is going to make you want to have quite a few of these. But we've got things coming. So now all we need to do is get the extension built. And those are these pieces here. And a couple more up at the front. So the extension will go off of this and out 6.5 feet. And then fold into the back when it's not in use. So we'll get that done now, and right now we're about 14 hours into this. All right, so this is the extension frame, 6.5 feet long, and so we put the same cross beams in, crossbeam in, and then just put the legs in. So this stuff is pretty much all plug and play. It's super easy to build. So that went up together in, I don't know, 10 minutes so far. All right, so right here we're just putting on the brackets on the engine frame that hold the trailer when it folds up into travel position. Ow. Wrong way, babe.